Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been making waves. In the world of immigration and career opportunities, Germany has just unveiled its eligibility requirements for the new Opportunity Card visa program, also known as the Chancen Card. This program is a game-changer for skilled professionals around the world who dream of working in Germany but don't yet have a job offer. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Opportunity Card, including the eligibility criteria, the points-based system, and how you can maximize your chances of qualifying. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or someone looking to make a career move, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. What is the Opportunity Card? First things first, what exactly is the German Opportunity Card? The Opportunity Card, or Chancen Card, is a new visa program introduced by Germany's federal government. It's designed to attract skilled professionals from around the world who want to work in Germany but don't have a job offer yet. Here is the best part. The Opportunity Card allows you to enter Germany and search for employment for up to 1 year. If you secure a job offer or employment contract during that time, you can extend your stay or apply for a different residence permit. This program is part of Germany's broader strategy to address labor shortages in key sectors and attract global talent. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to build a career in one of Europe's strongest economies. Now, let's talk about the eligibility requirements. To qualify for the Opportunity Card, you'll need to earn at least 6 points based on a points-based system. This system evaluates factors like your education, work experience, language skills, age, and more. Here is a breakdown of how the points are awarded. Partial recognition of foreign educational qualification. If your foreign qualification is partially recognized in Germany, you can earn 4 points. Qualification in a shortage occupation. If your qualification is in a field with a shortage of skilled workers, you'll earn 1 point. Professionalisation, 2 points for 2 years of relevant experience in the last 5 years. 3 points for 3 years of relevant experience in the last 7 years. Language skills, 1 point for A2 level German, 2 points for B1 level German, 3 points for B2 or higher German, 1 additional point for English at C1 level or higher, or if you're a native English speaker. Age, 2 points if you're under 35, 1 point if you're between 35 and 40. Relation to Germany, 1 point if you've lived legally in Germany for at least 6 months in the past 5 years excluding tourist stays. Joint applications with your partner, 1 point if you're applying with a spouse or registered partner who also meets the criteria. To qualify, you'll need a total of at least 6 points. But don't worry if you're close to meeting the requirement. There are ways to boost your score, which we'll discuss later in the video. How to maximize your score. If you're close to the 6-point threshold, here are some strategies to increase your score. Improve your language skills. Learning German can significantly boost your points. For example, reaching B1 or B2 level can add 2 to 3 points. Gain more work experience. If you have less than 2 years of experience, consider working longer to meet the criteria. Upgrade your education. If your qualification isn't fully recognized in Germany, consider getting it officially recognized. This can add crucial points to your application. Consider spouse points. If your spouse or partner also qualifies, you can earn an additional point by applying together. By focusing on these areas, you can maximize your chances of qualifying for the Opportunity Card. How to apply? Once you've determined that you meet the eligibility requirements, the next step is to apply for the Opportunity Card. Here show, gather your documents. You'll need proof of your qualifications, work experience, language skills, financial means, and health insurance. Submit your application. Applications are processed through the German immigration portal. Some German missions abroad work with service providers to ensure smooth processing, but these providers may charge a fee. Wait for approval. If approved, you'll receive your opportunity card, which allows you to move to Germany and search for a job for up to 12 months. It's important to note that the opportunity card is initially valid for 1 year. If you secure a job offer during that time, you can extend your stay or apply for a different residence permit. So why is the opportunity card such a big deal? Let's break it down. First and foremost, this program simplifies the process of moving to Germany for skilled professionals. Unlike traditional work visas, which often require a job offer before you can even apply, the opportunity card allows you to enter Germany without a job offer. This is a massive advantage because it gives you the freedom to explore opportunities on the ground, network with potential employers, and find the right fit for your skills and career goals. Imagine this, instead of being tied to a specific job or employer from the start, you can take your time to understand the German job market, attend interviews, and even try out different roles to see what suits you best. This flexibility is especially valuable for professionals who want to make a strategic career move but aren't sure where to start. But that's not all. Germany is one of the strongest economies in Europe, and it's facing a significant shortage of skilled workers in key sectors like engineering, IT, healthcare, and renewable energy. The Opportunity Card is designed to address this shortage by attracting global talent. For you, this means access to a wealth of career opportunities in a country that values innovation, expertise, and hard work. And let's not forget about the quality of life in Germany. The country is known for its excellent healthcare system, strong social benefits, and high standard of living. Whether you're moving alone or with your family, Germany offers a safe, welcoming environment with world-class infrastructure, top-notch education, and a rich cultural scene. The Opportunity Card also aligns with Germany's broader strategy to become a hub for international talent. By making it easier for skilled professionals to enter the country, Germany is positioning itself as a top destination for career growth and personal development. In short, the Opportunity Card isn't just a visa, it's a gateway to new possibilities. It's a chance to build a career in one of the most dynamic economies in the world, while enjoying the benefits of living in a country that prioritizes work-life balance, innovation, and inclusivity. So, if you've been dreaming of working abroad, this could be your moment. The Opportunity Card is here to make that dream a reality. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Germany's new Opportunity Card visa program. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or someone looking to make a career move, this program offers a clear, points-based path to working in Germany. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you're considering applying for the Opportunity Card or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.